analyzing data, usually we need to clean data. In Chapter 5, it introduced the functions used to clean data. Let's go to review it. The first function is clean function. It used to remove non-creatable characters. Here we can see some characters are not displayed. Then we enter clean and this cell and enter, then double click. We can see this display not displayed. Now we can see these characters are removed. The next function is trim function. It is used to remove extra space or tabs or returns. We enter trim and this cell, enter and double click. Then we can see this extra space are removed. The next function is concat function. It is used to join two or more tracks of text into a single string. Here we want to join the first name and last name to full name. So concat this cell, and between them we need a space, and this cell, enter, and we double click. We have the full name. Next function is text join function. This function is combine two or more strings into a single string with the specified delimiter. Here we need to combine these three columns with separate with the dash. So text join. The first is the delimiter. Delimiter we use dash, and equal empty is true, and then is A2 this cell and this cell. Enter. Then we can see these three columns are joined with the dash. Double click. We have it. Next is exact function. It is used to compare two strings. If they are exactly same, so it will return true. If they are not same, it will return false. So A equal exact A1 and B1. Enter. These two cells are same, then double click. With other are not same. The next function is length function. It is used to count the number of the characters in a string. So equal length, and for this cell, and then double click, we can have the length of these strings. The next function is a find function. It is used to find the starting character's position of one string. Here we want to find the space location in the strings. So equal find. The character we need to find is space, and in this cell, enter. And then we can find their start position is 6 from 6. The next function is search function. It will return the starting position of a specified string with a string. Okay. So here we want to find the cells, this word in this string. Equal search. We want to search cells in this cell. Enter. Then we found their position. Next function is left function. It is used to return a specified number of characters from the left end of a string. Here, this is a full name. We want to return the first name. So we left, we want to return the first name, and the nouns of the first name is the position of the space. So we need to find the position of space -1. This is the length of the character. And enter. Then we find the first name, double click. Next is the write function. It used to return a specified number of characters from the end of string. Here we want to return the last name, so it's write from this cell, and the length of the character we need is the length of this cell minus the position of the space. So position of space is find space in A2. Then we find the last name. The next function is mid function. It used to return a chunk of text from inside of a string. Here we want to return the middle part code. We use mid, and the text we want to find in this cell, and the start number is the start from after the dash, so we need to find the dash position in this cell, +1, and we want to return 4 characters. And double click, we obtain the middle part code. The next function is lower function. Lower function will return all lowercase version of a string. So we want to convert this column into lowercase. This column, and double click. Next function is upper function. This function is return all uppercase version of a string. So uppercase this cell, and then double click. The next function is the purple function. Purple function will capital the first letter of every word in a string. So here we use purple function for this. And we can see that each word, the first letter of each word are converted to capital letter. And this we also need to purple for this cell, and double click. The next function is the number value function. Number value function used to convert digit formatted as a string to a true numerical number. So in this column, these strings are subtract from this column, so their format is the string. Now we want to convert this to numerical value. So just equal number value of this cell, and then double click. We can see another example. In this example, this column, as we want to remove this comma and replace it as a dot, and we want to remove the dot. So it equal number value of this column, and we want to replace the comma as dot. Double click. Next function is replace function. Replace function used to replace a portion of a string with a new text. Here we want to replace the main with representative. So equal replace of old this cell and start number. Start number is 6 and we want to replace 3 characters with representative. Enter, then double click. Next function is substitute. Substitute function used to replace text with another text. Here we want to replace all space with dash. So equal substitute of this cell. We want to replace space with dash. Then we can see, double click, we can see all the space are replaced with dash. Thank you very much.